in this area of Minas Gerais. I mean, my first time here. There are so much trees of araucarias. 50 meters above the sea level. Been a great day, long ride to come here, but I tell you, I guarantee I'll full enjoy, plus I will try my best to collect all those images for all of you folks. It's late right now. What time is it right now? Let me see. 10. That's not the time. Yeah, so what time to sleep right now. All right. Wow. What a morning. What a beautiful morning. Yeah. Woo. Good coffee in the morning. And I guarantee you will wake up like a king. Folks, how you doing, everyone? I gotta say good morning, or good night, good afternoon, whatever the time you are watching this video right now. You are very welcome here at the YouTube channel Enrique Motors Adventures. Here, guys, you're going to watch so much content of nature, good energy, crazy images with drone, etc. Man, my people. Oi, gente, galera, eu estou aqui agora mesmo no estado de Minas Gerais. Guys, it's first time for me. I am in Wonderland. When I'm saying Wonderland is because this Minas Gerais state is surrounded of so much mountains, wildlife. Like when I say wildlife, is huge wildlife, and so much beauty. Actually, right here around me, I got araucarias, trees. They call it the ancient tree because they've been, you know, I don't know if you heard about it, since the prehistoric era, you know. Anyhow, guys, I'm here in the place, camping here in the camping area place. We got light, free Wi-Fi, strong. We got a football court. You got the river right here. I'm camping right next to the river. Look at this. How cool is this? I mean, guys, come on. Look at this. What I'm here for is to review as much as I can of the nature of Minas Gerais. I'm gonna try my best because I mean most of the place you gotta pay here for, and some of them they are free, but you need someone who guiding you here in the area. And because I'm not from here, I'm gonna do my best for all of you. All right, folks. So I gotta keep going. I'm gonna finish my coffee, make some breakfast, and then I will go. $50 meters above sea level. That is something. You are located in so high position, and everything is just wow. The color, the vegetation, the water. Oh man, it's just perfect. There are so much trees of araucarias. They've been here since the prehistoric, you know, era. I truly believe that they have something magical on this tree, and if we walk carefully, take a look what we can find. Seeds. Great. I'm gonna pick some. I'm gonna cook some of them home for me. Oh yeah. Yeah, beautiful tree, araucaria. Thank you so much for the treat. Haha. Nice. What? Walking this forest next to the river. Beautiful, by the way. And you're gonna get those seeds. Oh man, you can't get better than this. Blessed I am, and we are to have this planet Earth. Just keep it nice. Super cool this water, guys. Minas Gerais. Finally, I'm here. This is just a small, tiny part of so much fantastic, breathtaking places that you guys can see here in Brazil. If you're coming to Brazil, guys, come and visit Minas Gerais. What is the name of this waterfall, guys? How about that? Comment below and let me know. what is the name you should put to this waterfall, guys. Okay, so I will review this place with the drone, terrestrial cameras, and I'll try to do my best, guys, for all of you. All right, let's see. Don't know what do you say about this place, guys, but I'm in shock. It's just beautiful. I always love nature. I always say the same thing over and over, and I won't stop saying the same thing, you know. And then nature is unique, you know, and this waterfall also have her own beauty, you know. This is just breathtaking place, you know, guys. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy the shot, you know. If you got anything on mind, positive, any comment, you know, what do you think about this place, you know, guys? The whole film, the whole, you know, video, I try to put it all together as usual for all of you guys with the drone, etc. You know, for me it's a big challenge to come from where I am here located in Santa Barbara do Oeste till this new state of Minas Gerais, you know, to just try to deliver and review some beauty, you know, of the nature of so many places here, you know, guys. And look at this place. It's so clean, it's so full well preserved. Please God, if you come here or on any part of the world you're going, take care of the natural environment, because this is one home for all of us, guys. Remember that all the details, my gears, my camera, and if you want to buy something that I have, if you got something in mind or curiosity, go and check up in my video description, you know. And for you, if you are new, you subscribe to my channel for more adventure, awesome shop, and good energy. Until the next time, guys, ciao.